Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with a new video about upcoming phone from Samsung. So Samsung fans, get ready. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is coming, and it's about to change the smartphone game. Let's break down all the jaw-dropping features in just a couple of minutes. Starting with the screen, a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display pushing up to 165 Hz refresh rate and a mind-blowing 3000 nits of brightness. It's thinner, lighter, and sleeker than ever with ultra-slim bezels and a titanium frame. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy, Samsung's most powerful chip yet, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, it's built for speed, gaming, and multitasking without compromise. Photography lovers, this one's for you. A 200-megapixel main sensor plus a quad-lens setup that includes 5x and 3x zoom. On the front, a crispy 64-megapixel selfie camera. Expect stunning detail day or night. Power won't be a problem. A 5,400 mAh battery, 45W fast charging, and 15W wireless with Qi2 magnetic support. Long life, short charge time. Galaxy AI gets a boost with smarter suggestions, real-time translation, and built-in Perplexity AI for smarter search. Plus, the new S Pen is back, sleeker and possibly wireless. Launching early 2026, this might be Samsung's best phone ever. What do you think? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more. I will catch you in next one.